Do you want to reduce your cached file size? If yes, you are on the right video. I made one OTL which will very helpful to reduce your cached file size. So you just need to connect before your sim, or if you already cached your sim, you can connect after your sim also. It will definitely work in both conditions. So I show you. Here I have this smoke cached. I already cached it, but we can connect it before the cache. So as you can see, it's taking 84.71 MB. So when I after connect this, it's cutting the smoke which is not seen in, which is outside of the camera. So I have this camera too, and I'm going to see only this area. So other part will be deleted. So that's how it's reduce your memory. It's delete your unwanted uh, unwanted data, or maybe unwanted your smoke or fire, anything, and give you only the visible area output. So you have to just connect it, and you have to give a camera. I gave here two parameters. One is camera and one is area. Area, if you will increase this area, as you can see here, the smoke area will increased. So if you just put 0 or do nothing with this parameter, it's perfectly take your camera resolution or your camera view only, and delete the outer smoke, and your file size will be your cache memory size will be reduced. Here is 84.71 and here is 59.17 MB. You can I connected after the cache, but we can connect it before the cache also. So I have this simple smoke sim, as you can see. If I just I have this another one, I just connect this here and took the another camera which is cam torus. So this delete the other portion of the smoke and keeping only the visible smoke. So yeah, if you can see before this OTL, it's taking 23.94 MB, and after this it's taking 21.50 MB. It's not a huge difference, but here you can see it's very huge difference, because it's depend on the your uh, detail and everything. If your smoke or fire have more detail, the cache data will be generated more. It is very helpful to reduce your cached file size. It will save your space definitely, but it also save your time. So if you want this OTL, I'll give this OTL file link in my description. You can check it out. Thanks for watching.